Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified when people you follow like your threads on Threads app. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the hamburger menu and then open notifications. After that, tap on Threads and replies. Now, tap on the button beside from people you follow under likes section. And that's it. Each time people you follow like your thread, you'll get notified of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.